Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to customize subtitles on your Netflix. So basically, go ahead and into your browser and then go ahead to the account page, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna be able to see, or if I wanted to custom the subtitles, in my case, I'm gonna just go ahead and download and install the subtitle extension, and you're gonna be able on your browser. And then step 2, open the Netflix on the same browser and then log into your account. Step 3, play the movie or episode from the TV series to which you want to add a custom subtitles. So basically, this way requires a third party. You need to download subtitle extension on your browser. So you will need a third party app so you can customize your subtitles on Netflix. So you're gonna be able right here to see a demonstration that will help. And basically, make sure that you update the app to the latest version. You're gonna be able right here to see subtitle appearance. You're gonna be able to change the font and to change the color of the of the subtitle. So basically, that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.